As long as you can actually do have a valid phone number, you can actually use that to make money with Cpagrip right now, or CPA marketing, just like how I actually did right here. As you can see, this is actually the amount I've earned today right now with Cpagrip, just by using this self-clicking method. And guys, in today's video, I'm just going to walk you through the exact same way I actually do use to go on to making money with Pin Summit right now with Cpagrip. I'm going to explain that to you, and you can just simply go on to applying this exact simple strategy to go on to making some cool cash online with CPA marketing. And we're actually going to be utilizing this platform right now, which is called the cpagrip.com. And if you don't actually have an account, all you actually have to do is to click on register. Once you do click on register, you should be brought to this page right here, and you want to just simply go on to filling out these details. First of all, you want to fill out your name, your last name, your street address, the country of your choice, the city. And you can see that I actually did skip these two fields right now because these fields are not actually having this red asterisk sign, as you can actually do go on to seeing on other fields right there. And that red asterisk sign indicates that those are actually the required field which you need to go on to fill in for your account to be created on this platform. You could take note of this publisher type section. You want to make sure you do select either the website/incense, or you do go on to selecting the GPT, and this actually helps you go on to getting your account approved almost immediately on such platforms right now. You then want to just simply go on to clicking on red terms of services right now to actually do go on to reading through that. You can agree to the terms of services by checking these boxes right here, and once you do check out these boxes, click on register. You can then just simply go on to creating an account for absolutely free on this particular platform. So right now guys, as you can actually see right here, I've been logged into my account. You could see this public chat right here where you could go on to see the amount people are actually making on this platform with the respective amount of leads. You can actually do see right now guys that this person has actually made about $189,000 with this particular amount of leads, which is about 103,000 leads. And you can actually do go on to replicating such amount yourself by actually do go on to using this simple strategy. So if I do go onto the offer tools or the monetize offer tools section, click on my offers. So right now you can see I went to selecting all countries right here and selected a category which is actually the Pin Summit category right now. And I'm actually showing a lot of offers right here to various countries around the world that are actually do having the Pin Summit category. I can filter my offers based on payout right now. If I do click on payout, it's actually going to show me the lowest paying offers first. If I can then just simply click on that, which will show me the highest paying offers next. So guys, to go on further, supposing I want to promote an offer right now, or maybe this particular offer, I'm just going to go on to selecting that offer right now. So if I do select this offer right here guys, a pop-up is actually going to come up showing me details about that offer right now. So right here guys, you can see more details about this offer that is actually a Switzerland offer right here, as you can see in this section. The offer is also a desktop offer and an email or Pin Summit offer right here. And you can see the payout to this offer is quite numerous right there, or quite large, which is $23.96. Here's your unique affiliate link to promoting this offer. So what you want to do right now guys is that in order for you to go on to promoting this offer, you actually need to get a pin, which is actually a phone number right now from this particular demographic, which is Switzerland. And if you do go onto Google and search for the Paystars link for phone number, you are actually going to be shown a lot of platforms that is actually going to go on to showing you phone numbers right now in the country to which you actually do reside in, or the country to which is actually reading your IP address form. So you're actually going to see a lot of platforms where you could go on to getting phone numbers right now, and you can just simply go on to utilizing those platforms right here. But it is quite important guys that before you do go on to searching for this, before you do go on to searching for this Paystars link for phone numbers right here and go on to seeing all these phone numbers right now, you can actually do go on to maybe changing your demographic right now, which you are actually are, because I want to promote this particular offer to the Switzerland demographic, and my IP address is actually reading a different demographic right now, which is why you want to just simply go on to using a VPN right now, which is a virtual private network. And you can actually do use that right there. So you want to change in your IP address, and you can just simply go on to maybe selecting a VPN of your choice, any VPN. I'm going to be using this one right now, which I actually do have right here. As you can see right now, my VPN is actually loading up. And right here you can see I'm using the urban VPN. I can then just simply go on to selecting the country of my choice. Maybe I want to select the Switzerland right now. I can just simply search for that, select that, and in a matter of some seconds right now, I'm going to be connected to that particular demographic right now. And since I'm connected to that demographic, if I do go on to refreshing this page right here, I'm going to be shown offers or particular phone numbers to that particular demographic right there. So guys, right now I'm just going to go on to turning off my VPN back. But if you want to just simply use this, make sure you do go on to using a very cool VPN, and it is quite advisable you do go on to using a paid kind of VPN. And once you do get a VPN and get some phone numbers right here, you can actually do go on to using those phone numbers to complete this particular tax right now, which is the pin submit tax right here, and earn this particular amount with just one offer. So you can actually go on to using this and earn a lot of money online right now. And guys, if you're using this particular strategy, a lot of people might be asking how can they actually get emails right now or send emails from that particular number right there. Since that particular number is actually a valid number, as soon as you do go on to inserting that in this particular, by the way, while going through the survey for this particular offer right there, as soon as you go on to inserting that right there, you're actually going to get your conversion immediately after inserting that particular phone number right now. And if once you do insert that, you don't actually need to go on to completing the other phase of that particular offer, maybe by doing a little verification or continuing the process. As far as you do just submit that particular phone number, your conversion has actually been recorded, and you are actually going to go on to making your money right there. So you can actually do go on to using this for any location of your choice and start earning some cool cash online. The good thing about this is that you can actually do go on to focusing on other kinds of offers right now. You could focus on the email and zip submit offer. You could focus on other kinds of offer and use this particular simple self-clicking strategy to go on to making some cool cash online. And guys, in doing such strategy, make sure you're actually using a desktop device to do that, and to go on to submitting your PIN, which is your mobile number, while going through a survey using this affiliate link right now for the Switzerland demographic, and you do get paid this amount right here. This is quite an amazing strategy which you want to make sure you do go on to making sure you use right now and start earning a lot of money online with CPA marketing. And with that being said, I think this has actually been an explainer video for you, telling you how you could just simply go on to completing a pin submit offer right now with yourself and start making money online. With that being said, we've come to the end of this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, do go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are always turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.